Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to accessibility. After that go to advanced settings. From here go to flash notification option. And that's it. From here you can enable flash notification in your phone. Here you can see two types of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. Now if you enable camera flash notification and then tap on preview, you can see the camera flash is flashing. Now if you enable screen flash notification and then tap on preview, you can see the screen is flashing. Also if you tap here, from here you can change your screen flash notification color and you can choose any color as you like. If I select it, then tap on done, then tap on preview, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can enable flash notification in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.